And finally, in the bulletin, extreme summer temperatures can have adverse effects on vehicles, which can lead to road accidents. But with a bit of caution and upkeep, passengers and their vehicles can endure the hot summer season without unpleasant incidents. With the harsh summer climate of the region, proper maintenance of cars is of paramount importance, especially with the dusty and sandy conditions as well as the high temperatures. Checks should happen regularly to avoid breakdowns or accidents. According to experts, high temperatures can become a serious problem for tires, especially if they are not properly maintained. Incorrect inflation pressures, poor wheel balance and alignment also contribute to a reduction in tire life and safety. A simple checklist will improve the chances of being safe during summer travel.
The first thing what I would highlight is the tires. Before starting the car, just have a check on the tires, whether the external is free from any damages. Look at the tire pressure and maintain the tire pressure so that the tire breakdowns are avoided. And replace the tire at regular intervals as when your service provider says. The next thing is look here for any abnormal noises once when you drive. Do not switch on the audio once when you get into the car. Switch it off for 2 minutes, listen any abnormal noise, so that will give you a noise about the belts if it is loose, any abnormal noise from the pulleys or any mechanical component so that you can refer it to the service center immediately. The third thing is have a check on the air condition before the summer starts. Change your filters so that you have a comfortable drive. The fourth thing is once when you're entering into a car, pull down your windows first, then start the car so that the hot air dissipates out rather than getting recirculated inside. Use a windshield screen, which is provided by the manufacturer wherever you get. Use it so that it avoids a direct sunlight hitting inside the car. Check for all coolant levels. Specifically, if your dash panel says any warning signal, including MIL, SRS, whatsoever, if you're not familiar with, immediately refer the car, which is a preventive measure than a breakdown measure.
Experts also warned that increased temperatures in the region can increase the possibility of vehicle fires. Research indicates that 75% of vehicle fires are caused by bad maintenance, mechanical or electrical failures or malfunctions. Collisions or overturns caused only 3% of these fires, but 57% of the associated deaths. 1/3 of non-fatal vehicle fire injuries occurred when civilians attempted to fight the fire themselves.
We have got few cases where people have procrastinated the required replacements. For example, we advise customers, your tire is hard, replace it. But he looks at the tire and say, hey, it has got tread, I can drive it. But it gets burst on the road. It would not take much of cost and time for the normal inspection. Rather than getting a breakdown, spending more, leaving without a car, they look for cheap alternatives. A genuine component is designed for the car and it has got a specific runtime. And once you want to save few dollars or few dirhams to go for cheap alternatives, we cannot trust, we cannot guarantee, and you are putting your drive on risk.